So today I would like to ask you, have you ever tried this carrot jollof rice? Because it's my first time of preparing it and I want to know how it tastes. So to begin, I have all the veggies here with me. I have my paprika, green, red, yellow, sweet long pepper, ginger, garlic, and some onions. Yeah, so I'm gonna blend all this together. So for the sake of this video not to be too long, I will skip when I'm washing all the peppers. So after washing and slicing them, I will first of all go in with my carrots, and next is the paprika. Just go ahead and blend everything together. Okay guys, so keep watching. So at this stage, after blending, I will go ahead and transfer it into a clean pot and allow it to cook so that the water will dry out. Keep watching. After that, into another clean pot, transfer your protein, and for the meat I'm using chicken. You can also use any meat of your choice, it doesn't matter. Okay guys, and to parboil the chicken, I'll be going in with some sliced onions. Yes guys, next is thyme. Okay, just add in all the seasonings at this stage. Anything you want to use to season the chicken, go ahead and add it at this moment. I will be adding in my Maggi seasonings. I'm using 2 types of Maggi. You guys know that I don't eat any other type of Maggi apart from this cow brown and chicken brown Maggi. Yeah, so next is to go in with some chili powder and salt to taste. Add in my bay leaf and stir everything together. Just season your meat very well because we are going to be grilling this chicken. Okay guys, so keep watching. So before I forget, if you are watching me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my new videos. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always tuning in. Guys, the meat is ready. Yeah, so next I'm going to transfer it into my grilling pan and let it to grill. So keep watching. So guys, before I will go ahead and transfer the chicken into my oven to grill, I will go ahead and sprinkle a little of the pepper mix just to give it a good taste. You know, we are going to be grilling it, so we need the chicken to be tasty. Okay guys, I'm going to transfer it now into the oven, so keep watching. At this stage, the water inside the pepper meat have dried out, as you can see. Yeah, so we are going to step it aside. So this is the chicken stock. I'm going to transfer it into a clean plate and step it aside. So guys, feel free to rinse out the pot with some water. Okay, we need the water, so feel free to do that. So as you can see, this is the stock water right now. I'm going to step it aside. Next is to go ahead and fry the pepper. And if you notice, I'm using the same pot I used to parboil the chicken. Yeah. So I will let the oil to heat up a bit. Next is to add in a little thyme on it. After that, I will go ahead and add some curry powder. Yeah. Stir everything together. Next is to add in my sliced onions, and for the onions I'm using red onions. Okay guys, quickly give it a quick mix. As you can see, yeah, allow it to fry up to 30 seconds to 1 minute, just to get that a little bit burnt of the onions. So guys, as the onions is frying, please do not let the onions get too much burnt. Yeah, just a little bit golden brown. Okay, as you can see, I'm stirring it from time to time just to make sure it doesn't overburnt. So at this stage, I will go ahead and add my pepper mix. Give it a quick mix. Just make sure you continue stirring so that the down doesn't get burnt. Is very important. Yeah, so keep watching. At this stage, I will go ahead and add my chili powder. I'll just make sure I season the sauce. Next is to add in my Benny spice. The next one is to add in my jollof rice seasoning. You can also get this seasoning in any African shop here in diaspora. Yes guys, so feel free to go ahead and season your sauce with any seasonings of your choice. After seasoning, guys, go ahead and add in the stock water. But before I forget, I'm sorry guys, I skipped when I removed a bit of the sauce, which I'm going to show you. Something took my attention away, so I forgot that I was filming, and I thought the video is on without not knowing that I paused the video. So I skipped when I removed it out. So please take note, try to remove the sauce out. Here you can see this is the part of the sauce I removed out from the pot. Okay, we are going to be using it later, so don't worry. Keep watching. So guys, as you can see, I'm still adding in some water. Just add water that will cover up the jollof rice to cook. Just normal process of cooking jollof rice. In this case, we are using carrots. And that is the only thing different from this jollof rice. Okay guys, so keep watching. So guys, if you are doing this, please make sure you do not turn the downside of the pot. It's very important. And also, before I forget, if you notice, I did not add any salt when I was seasoning the sauce, because there is salt already inside the stock water of the chicken. Right now, I will go ahead and check for the seasonings, and as you can see, my jollof rice still needs seasoning, so just go ahead and add anything you want to add. So I added in a little salt and Maggi seasoning, then I allow it to cook on a medium heat. Keep watching. So guys, right now we are going to be checking our carrot jollof rice. Is almost dried up, as you can see, and the outcome is looking yummy already. You can see there is still a little water at the downside. What I will do next is to go ahead and pour in the sauce, but before then I will add in a little butter. You can use margarine or butter, whichever one that suits you is still okay. Okay guys, yeah. So next is to add the sauce. Yeah, gently give it a good stir, as you can see. But before then, I will be going in with a little amount of crayfish just to wake up the flavor. Oh my goodness guys, this recipe is so yummy. If you haven't tried this recipe, give it a try. A trial will convince you. Believe me guys, the taste is awesome. So just quickly give it a quick mix. Next is to cover it with a foil paper. Allow the seasoning to steam. Just allow that smoked jollof to come out. Wow. So guys, at this stage, our carrot jollof rice is ready. So yummy guys. I will just go ahead and stir it again and dish it out. So my wonderful people, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to share your thoughts. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you will try this carrot jollof rice. Just tell me what you think about it. Anything you want to argue with me, drop it at the comment section down below. Yeah, and don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Just tell me anything you think. Okay, my wonderful people. Here is the outcome, looking so yummy, looking so tasty, looking so delicious. What word will I use to describe it? I don't know. If you have any word to describe it, drop it at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now, I am out. Bye. Ciao.